We're back down at the Beehive now for the Chapman Charity Run again. Time's come round again already. I'll just show you a couple of the bikes. There's a nice Loctite Yamaha over there. Dragstar, Kawasaki, and these are getting all the rage now, the BMW, they're very popular. More BMWs, another BMW, Triumph beside that. That's Sanself just running. Two more of the lads just rolling up. What we've got here, we'll have a look in a minute. There's a nice BMW just rolled up. We'll have a look at some of the other stuff over this side. A bit disappointed there's not more old stuff here, but there you go. They maybe turn up later. Oil pusher. Very nice exhaust on it. Pretty colours anyway. Coming in now. These are getting all the rage now, the BMW, they're very popular. An old C11G, we often see this man out. A nice Triumph. A fine selection of machinery here. Earlier on there was no one here at all, but there's a massive crowd approaching now. There's the Cutter's Suzuki. Another nice BMW. An old dog come to see the bikes. Beautiful bike. Ducati 1098, one of the new ones. Boy, what a pretty machine. I'd like that. Look at the brakes. The others. Man, that is pretty. Couldn't get enough of the Ducati. Yeah. Hey, he was just going off with his prize. He won something in the raffle. Let's have a look at the enfield. The first bit of chrome. I don't know what it is. Very minute. These chaps want to be represented now on the YouTube, so we'll put them on there prominent. Big smile. Blending in the sun. I'm a director as it is, I'll have you know. That's right. Say they're a bad disease. Huh? They're a bad disease, the bikes. Yeah. Once you get it in the blood, you can't get rid of them. There's the man with the chicken brain. Oh, it's getting ready for the off now, look. Right. No jumping the start, lads. No jumping the start. Huh? They're jumping the start, these fellas. Oh, yeah. Well, oh, yeah, photography, you see. And still they come. A massive turnout this year.